just wanted to say hello, welcome to the new video. We're going to Florida. Just picked up only 9 cars. I'm gonna show you in a little bit how I loaded them. I have 2 long beds, a couple SUVs, nothing too big, but it's kind of tight, you'll see. Yeah, the plan is to go to Florida, and from Florida we're gonna try to go up to like Boston, New England area, and do a few runs back and forth, Boston, Miami, trying to make some money before Thanksgiving. Market is pretty dry now, especially this time. It's just that year, it's just not great, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna try to run that 95 up and down for a couple weeks, try to make some money, and we'll go home for Thanksgiving. Welcome to Texas. I got an issue with the truck. If you can hear it, as soon as I put it in a park, start leaking air. So I'm gonna try to fix that. One of the air lines was rubbing loose in a bunch, and somehow over the time the rocks, like little rocks came, got stuck in between, and it just messed it up. And another problem I have is this. Yeah. It's still holding air. 110 psi, just fucking piece came off of it. Great. So yeah, fun stuff. I'm gonna jump in the truck and I'm gonna show you in a second. That's the problem over there. I'm gonna clean up all the hoses. And I'll probably put a splitter to connect the 2 ends. And yeah, we'll go from there. Peace. Gotta go put my contacts. Okay, I just need to loosen. There's a clamp here. I want to loosen it up and undo all the hoses. Yeah, I got my fittings. I'm gonna use one of them, see what fits and what not. Just splice it together, I guess. That LED is still flickering for some reason. That's not good. I don't like it when it's flickering like that for no reason. Alright, let's see what we got. There's one more zip tie. I saw it. I cut it in half. Pretty easy. This is the best that I have. I wish I had some special airline hose cutting tool, but I don't have it. Okay, that should be good. So blistery, man. I look like that Sus guy from TikTok. Oh no, I hope it's not the shop. Use the plastic one, compression fitting, or I can use, let's see what we got here. Maybe I can use one of these. I think this will be better for the long term. So let's see if that's the right size first of all. Yeah, that is the right size. I'm pretty sure you know how this works. You just put these nuts over here. Okay, you put this nut over here. Put the compression ring over it. You gotta just make sure it's, yeah, there you go, perfect. These nuts. Okay. It's not perfectly rounded, so. You can probably spit on it. Come on, man. It's just not going in. Ah, shit. Or get a knife, it will be way easier. Yeah, I'm gonna go get a knife. A lot easier with a knife, I guess. Obviously. There we go. Now when you thread it in, just gonna use a. Just gonna go get my wrenches. They're gonna get compressed, and we're gonna be good to go. But yeah. And I'll zip tie this later. Let me go get my wrenches. Just hold the middle. But let's put this back together. Right. Transaction completed. Let's get out of here. Let the air come build up. I'm gonna shut it off and we're gonna see if there's any leaks. Can't wait to put the air right. It's gonna look much nicer with those headlights. Yeah, so dirty. Pulled the truck in the shop after a 1 hour wait. Go take a shower. By the time they're done, we can have a nice shower. Yeah, the probably take like 30, 45, maybe an hour to replace one tire. So they got Yokohama for $770. Cheap. Yeah. Hopefully they got it done sooner than later. Boys, let's go get some barbecue. San Antonio. Show you this place real quick. Oh shit! Oh, it's a good place for a barbecue. I think I blocked the car wash, but it's okay. Not a big deal. Right out that in. Exit 5 something. Yeah. It's called the worst barbecue in Texas. Sheesh. Let's go try it. That's their menu. All the meats. We've got a couple pounds of meat. It's gonna last me for today and tomorrow. For lunch maybe. Brisket, and I got some sausage. Well, we're out here in Texas at the border checkpoint. I was wondering why the traffic is, and turns out there's a truck that broke down. That's not bueno. It's like a UPS truck. T-Force, whatever T-Force thing. Hey, you can't park here, man. You can't park here. Well, have a good night, my friend. We're gonna keep on driving. Maybe those border patrol agents, they can go and push him instead of being there and being lazy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get to work, guys. Get to work. Let's wake you up. Wake up. Morning from Louisiana. I just dropped off 2 cars in Slidell. No, not Slidell. Covington. Yeah, I dropped off the truck and Maxima, and now I jumped on the Pontchartrain Lake, which is 24 miles long. That beach is 24 miles straight. That's pretty wild. But yeah. On my way to New Orleans, I'm gonna drop the Jeep Cherokee there at the truck stop. It's the only place I get into New Orleans, Mardi Gras truck stop. and then I'm gonna head out to Pensacola, Florida. I have to pick up a 1991 Nissan Skyline GTR. I'm gonna take it to Boston. Hopefully it's a nice car. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this straight road for 24 miles across the lake. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. I'm pulling up to this China shop. Wow, this is so tired, man. Let's go. I made it. You guys waiting for me already? Let's go. It's got some JDM cars. Let's go check it out. Alright, hopefully he's got some good cars for me. R33, bunch of, I don't know, Celicas. Got the car inspected. Welcome to 1991 in this Nissan Skyline GTR. It's pretty nice. It's all black. This guy has some nice cars. He's got the AE86 Toyotas. He's got a 32 GTR, 33 right there. If you can see the silver one, 33 V-Spec, all original. That's a nice one, man. He's selling it for 75k. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll give you the contact information. And he's also got this E46 M3 manual, and I want to buy it. I told him, dude, sell it to me. It's like, just take it, you know, just give me $8,000 and take it. So I think I'm gonna take it back, all the way back to California. It's been sitting for 2 years. He said, you know, it needs some love for sure, but it's got Alcantara interior from factory. Alcantara, guys. Dash, steering wheel, all the seats, it's Alcantara. So I think I'm gonna buy it because this is those cars are becoming rare. It's a clean title, manual, E46 M3. Can't get any better. Yep, Japan style. Let's go. I'm gonna load this nice car and we're gonna go to Orlando. Alright. Those tires seen better days for sure. Yeah, all mismatched. Yeah, I could have got to the left a little more. That's okay, I'm gonna take it off tomorrow anyway. Alright, strap it down and out of here. Time to go. I got about 7 hours to Lakeland, Florida, and then Orlando. I really want this M3. I'm not even gonna tell my wife I'm buying it. I'm just gonna buy it and bring it home. So, done deal. She doesn't gonna yell at me.